Hello students, today I will revise about the silent features of algae and its classification. Algae comes under kingdom Plantae, and under kingdom Plantae they comes under cryptogams. They are spore producing plants, do not produce seeds and flower. Under cryptogams they belongs to division Thallophyta. Silent features of algae. First is habitat. Algae are mostly aquatic. Aquatic algae grows in marine, that is salty water, or fresh water, that is lake, ponds, river. Few algae grows on other plants as epiphytes. Epi means upon, so they grows on the other plants, and some grow symbiotically. Some algae are epizoic, that is growing or living non-parasitically on the exterior of living organisms. Means this algae lives on other organisms without harming them. Most of the algae are free-living, while some are symbiotic. Structure: plant body is thalloid, that is, it is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. So when root, stem and leaves are absent, the plant body is thalloid. Algae may be small, unicellular and microscopic. Like Chlamydomonas, it is a motile algae. It contains flagella. Chlorella is a non-motile algae. Flagella is absent. Algae can be multicellular and filamentous. In filament, cells are attached end to end. Filament can be unbranched. Example is Spirogyra. Or filament can be branched. Example is Gyra. Sargassum is a huge microscopic seaweed which measures more than 60 meters in length. Cell wall contains either polysaccharide like cellulose or variety of proteins or both polysaccharide and proteins. Reserve food material is in the form of starch and its other forms. Reproduction takes place by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Here the plant body gets divided into fragments and each fragment further forms the plant. Asexual reproduction by spore formation and sexual reproduction by gamete formation. In sexual reproduction, it can be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Isogamous is fusion of two similar size gametes. The male and female gamete are of same size. Anisogamous, fusion of two dissimilar size gametes. Oogamous, fusion between one large non-motile female gamete and a smaller motile gamete. So your male gamete is motile and it fuses the large non-motile female gamete, that is oogamous. Life cycle shows phenomenon of alternation of generation, that is dominant haploid stage give rise to reduced diploid stage and reduced diploid stage give rise to dominant haploid stage. This is alternation of generation. Pigmentation. Photosynthetic pigments. Various pigments are found in algae. These are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, carotene, xanthophylls, phycobilins. And phycobilins are of two types: phycocyanine, which is blue color, and phycoerythrin, which is red in color. All these pigments trap solar energy, that is light energy. But here, chlorophyll A, it not only traps light energy, it converts this light energy into chemical energy. Out of all these pigments, chlorophyll A is called as essential photosynthetic pigments, a very important pigment. And that is why chlorophyll A is present in all members belongs to kingdom Plantae. Algae are classified into three types: chlorophyceae, that is green algae; Pyophyceae, brown algae; and Rhodophyceae, red algae. Characters of chlorophyceae, that is green algae. They are mostly fresh water, few brackish water, and marine. Plant body is unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. Cell wall contains cellulose. Chloroplasts are of various shapes like discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shape, ribbon-shape, or spiral with chlorophyll A and B. Reserve food is in the form of starch. Pyrenoids are located in the chloroplast. Green algae like chlorella are rich in proteins, hence used as food even by space travelers. Example: Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Cara, Volvox, Ulothrix. Chlamydomonas has cup-shaped chloroplast. Spirogyra has spiral or ribbon-shaped chloroplast. Odogonium has reticulate chloroplast. Zygnema has stellate or star-shaped chloroplast. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction occurs by flagellated zoospores produced in zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction is isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Forms of green algae: unicellular motile, example Chlamydomonas. It has a flagella. Unicellular non-motile, example is Chlorella, that is without flagella. Colonial form, example is Volvox. Filamentous branched, example is Clytophora and Cara, there are branches. Filamentous unbranched, example is Ulothrix and Spirogyra. Pyophyceae, that is brown algae, mostly marine, rarely freshwater. Plant body is simple branched, filamentous. Example is Ectocarpus or profusely branched. Example is Petalonia. Cell wall has cellulose, fucins, and algin. Photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, that is essential pigment, chlorophyll C, and fucoxanthin are present. The reserve food material is mannitol and laminarin. Body is usually differentiated into holdfast stalk called stipe and leaf-like photosynthetic organs called frond. Many species of marine algae are used as food. Example is Laminaria sargassum. Some species are used for the production of hydrocolloid, water-holding substance. Example Ectocarpus, Fucus, etc. Reproduction. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction takes place by biflagellate zoospores. Sexual reproduction, isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. The gametes are pyriform, that is pear-shaped, and flagellated. Forms of brown algae: simple branched and filamentous. Example is sargassum, fucus, and ectocarpus. Profusely branched. Example Laminaria, dictyota, and kelps, that is seaweeds. Rhodophysi, that is red algae, found in marine as well as fresh water, on the surface, deep sea, and brackish water. Plant body is thalloid, that is not differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Photosynthetic pigments: chlorophyll A, that is essential pigment, important pigment, then chlorophyll D and phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin gives red color to this algae. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin glued with other carbohydrates. The reserve food material is in the form of Floridian starch. Reproduction: vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction occurs by non-motile spores. Sexual reproduction takes place by non-motile gametes, oogamous, and accompanied by complex post-fertilization development. Red algae like Gelidium and Gracilaria are used to obtain agar-agar, which is used as solidifying agent in tissue culture medium. Forms of red algae: red thalli of most of the red algae are multicellular, macroscopic. Example is Gracilaria, Gelidium, Porphyra, and Polysiphonia.